We are Phantom Healthcare, one of the leading third-party dealers of refurbished MRI and CT Scan machines. We have achieved the highest customer satisfaction rate over the years with our highly experienced and exceptionally qualified leadership. We have become a trustworthy organization in the industry. We have one of the most reliable service and support teams in the industry. Our highly skilled technicians and service staff are present all over the India, working 24/7 to serve the best to our customers. Machines have advanced medical imaging applications like SWEN, Catigram, enhanced 3D delta flow, enhanced inflow IR, LavaFlex, IDL, Vibrant, enhanced 3D velocity, and 3D artificial spin labeling. Our flagship products range from 1.5 Tesla to 3 Tesla MRI machines. Our topmost model of GE Signa 750 MRI is the most advanced application equipment for medical scanning. Various models of MRI machines are available in 8 channels and 16 channels to match suitable clinical functions. Mid-range models in 1.5 Tesla are also available to fulfill basic and low-end imaging requirements. We have successful installations all over the country with satisfied and happy clients. Our warehouse has the largest inventory of MRI parts and upgrades. Our sales and service teams work in coordination for smooth planning and executions. Our strong network of support and service staff is expanded all over India and is always ready to help and serve. Thank you all for patiently listening to us.